Very good. After 2 hours draw, the PCB design gone. Here is the first check printout result. Super simple. That one. I have a special video for transfer tuner by magical Iranian liquid to the PCB. We go to tuner transfer. Very good. Let's check the tuner transfer. I should check how's it. Wow, very good. Very nice. It's better to do it inside the water. Wow, very nice, very nice. Look at that, how nice it is. This is amazing tuner transfer. I'm going to acid and Drake. Very good. Very good. Time to acid. Gently. Take care of your eyes. Need 20 minutes maximum to check the result. It's not a fresh acid, but will work. If you have hot water, it's much better to do with hot water. Very well, the PCB is ready. I'm going to drain and start soldering the LCD and atmega328. Very well, the project finished. As you can see, the 5-volt regulator, piezo, pot, push buttons, reset key, everything is adjusted, and the project also working well. Here is the welcome message. The LCD working well. Everything nice. One more time, I will turn on and off. I upload a simple code just to be sure that the LCD working well. I'm working on project. I'm back. Thank you. Let's check the back side. They're not too much clean, but for the first project, what the solution is not bad. This one is analog pin. Stand by to use for the next project. Thank you. Thank you.